Hello, I'm Dan from the Property Centre. I'm on Howard Road in Wellington today to show you this fantastic one-bedroom maisonette property. This property is an absolute cracker, has a much larger than average garden than what you'd expect. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. My favourite thing about this property is a fantastic garden, perfect little spot for enjoying the rest of the summer months. If you'd be interested in booking a viewing for this property, or if you have a property where you're looking for tenants yourself, please get in touch.